If you're trying to find unopened emails in GetResponse, you're probably looking for a way to clean up your email list, track engagement, and boost your campaigns. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find unopened emails in GetResponse and why it might be more complicated than you'd expect. Stick around to the end because I'll also share a better alternative for your email marketing needs, including some exclusive deals you won't want to miss. So let's dive in. First off, finding unopened emails in GetResponse isn't as straightforward as you might hope. While GetResponse offers some powerful features, you need to navigate through a few steps to locate the information you want. Next thing, to get started, you'll need to open up your GetResponse dashboard. Once you're in, go to your Reports section. This is where all your email campaign data is stored, including opens, clicks, and more. From here, you'll see a list of all your past campaigns. The challenge is GetResponse doesn't have a simple filter just for unopened emails. So, you need to go into each individual campaign to see the statistics. Next thing, once you've clicked on a specific campaign, you'll be brought to a detailed report where you can see open rates for each subscriber. To find those unopened emails, you'll have to look for contacts marked as not opened under the engagement section. It can be a bit tedious, especially if you have a lot of contacts to sift through. The fourth thing, now, if you want to be more proactive with these unopened emails, GetResponse allows you to segment your lists based on who hasn't opened your emails. But again, this is a manual process where you create a segment for those non-openers and then try sending a follow-up email or even a re-engagement campaign. Next, let's talk about automation. If you're a pro user, GetResponse does allow for automating follow-up emails to unopened messages, but the tools for doing so are limited. It's not as intuitive or as powerful as some competitors. You have to set up triggers and conditions manually, which might take some time, especially if you want to create a more sophisticated email sequence. Now, here's the part that'll help you decide if GetResponse is really the best fit for your needs. It's great for beginners or those who want a simple solution for email campaigns, but when it comes to diving deep into unopened emails and segmenting effectively, it lacks the ease of use some other platforms offer. You might find it a bit cumbersome and time-consuming to manage those unopened emails effectively, especially with larger lists. Now, before we wrap up, I want to recommend an alternative that does all of this, and more, much better. If you're looking for an email platform with a simpler way to segment unopened emails, track user engagement, and automate follow-ups with ease, check out the link in the description for an exclusive and extended free trial. This software offers better features for identifying unopened emails and automating the process without all the manual work. Plus, when you sign up through our link, you get the best trial benefits exclusive to our viewers. But don't just take my word for it, explore it yourself, and see how it can boost your email marketing. Thanks for watching.